Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review of the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Longwear Bronzer. I think I'm saying it right. Soleil, I don't know. Now this is a bronzer made with 100% natural cocoa powder, and I am very excited to try this because I have wanted to try it for such a long time and I finally got my hands on it. So we're going to do a review, we're going to tell you what it's about, and I'm going to have a look on the website and see the description, and obviously going to review it for you guys. So I'm really excited to do that. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today. It's 3 weeks now till Easter, and I've actually got something here. This is a Kinder Maxi surprise, which I got for Easter. Well, I didn't, my boyfriend got me it. And I love these. We used to have these in Italy when I was little, and they just bring so many memories, and I cannot wait to have this. This was about £10, which is a lot of money. So I'm really excited. So yeah, this Maxi Surprise Kinder Egg, I've had this when I was little in Italy, growing up in Italy, and it just brings so many memories back. So I'm so excited to try this again. It's been about 6 years, 6 or 7, no, maybe longer actually, about 8 years since I've had this. So I'm really excited. I'm so excited to see what the price is. I think you pay the money, the £10 for the toy inside. And I love it. So I'm really excited. 3 weeks away. I'm here already. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic day, like I said before. I just want to talk you through everything I'm wearing today, as usual, because you know I like to do this. So I've got my hair straight today, and I absolutely love it. I don't really have it straight that often. Oh, I've just messed it up there. And these extensions are absolutely insanely beautiful. I've had them, it's been about 2 months now. And they've just kept so gorgeous, literally so nice, and so thick, and the ends are very still. After 2 months, they're very straight cut, and they're not wispy. They're just insane. So I'm really happy with my hair. I can't wait to go back to get it redone. I'm just wearing, I've actually done my face. I've got my foundation on, and I've got the Spice lip pencil by MAC on my lips, and then I've got the Primark lip gloss that I'm obsessed with lately. My eyebrows, I'm just using the Rimmel London eyebrow pencil. Obviously my lashes, but they're a bit weird. I think they're coming off a bit. I don't know why. And I'm gonna leave the bronzer to last because I want to try it out with you guys and let you know what it's like. So yeah, that's it. That's everything. Obviously wearing my HRH collection 14K gold choker and my earrings I'm absolutely in love with. And yes. So guys, let's get on to the video. So the Dark Chocolate Soleil, I can't say it, by Too Faced. I'm just going to pull up what it says on the website, on the Too Faced website, because I think it's really helpful. So what it says is our best-selling bronzers just got a matte over. So it's a matte bronzer. Create all-over warmth with a classic 100% cocoa powder infused formula you love. Now long wearing for a long-lasting bronze that smells just as good as it looks. It's 28 ounces, and the details are you achieve a rich, deep, matte, buildable tan with this long-wearing matte bronzer. Long wear for 8 hours for gorgeous wear. Rich matte finish infused with 100% real cocoa powder. Buildable payoff for a customized bronze. Now, the sun is going down, so this isn't the greatest of time to do videos, so apologies if it gets darker. So let's get into the bronzer. So basically the back is just what I've read, just a tiny little synopsis. And this is the bronzer. I've not actually opened it yet. Ooh. How beautiful is this bronzer? It reminds me of like a Georgian kind of vibe, doesn't it? It's so nice. So this is the little clasp. It's a love heart. It's so cute, so Georgian, so kind of vintage, kind of cute, compact. I love it. I'm just going to open it up. Now, I got the darkest shade because there is a milk chocolate one, a normal one. I think this is the dark chocolate. So here we go. So it says dark chocolate matte. There I am in the viewfinder. And I love the mirror, absolutely beautiful mirror. And yes, it smells like chocolate. It smells amazing. So this is it. It's absolutely gorgeous. This was £25, which isn't too bad. And I'm just so excited to try it on. So let's put it on. I've got 2 brushes to try it on with because I don't know which one's going to work best. So I've got this brush. This is just a generic kind of brush. It needs to be washed. It's a mess. So dirty. And this one is just a blending brush from Real Technique. So I'm going to just try going with this one first. And I'm going to just see what it's like. So I've not done my bronzer, so let's have a go. So just going to tap. I hate ruining the imprint. Wow. Instantly. What an amazing... Let's try the other brush too. No, this is more of an all over... I don't want that one. This is more precise. So let's try it again. Now look at that cheek. Just blend out. And again, oh, this is looking amazing. It's made such a difference already. So then I like to do my chin. And the forehead. It's the formula is so soft. And then just a tiny bit on my nose bridge. Ugh. I love my eyebrows. Oh no. Look at this. It's absolutely insane. It's such a beautiful bronze colour. Can you see us? I'm in love. I look tanned already, don't I? So it's definitely buildable. Don't know why I've got some bit here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't look cakey. So I'll apply a bit more here. It's instantly chiseled my face, I feel. Giving me such a beautiful glow. I'm obsessed. I'm really liking this. So it's amazing. It smells so nice. And the fact that it's a matte, oops, it's really difficult to open with acrylics. It smells like a chocolate dream. I could eat this. It's so, so nice. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. So for me, it is a definite 100% yes. 100%. I absolutely love this. I've been wanting to find a bronzer for such a long time because as you remember, I was using the Ofra by Nikki Tutorials as a bronzer, the highlighter. Actually, I'm just going to finish off with the highlighter, the Becca one, and we'll have the finished look. So I'm back, guys. I just want to finish the look off with a highlighter just to see what it's like. So, oh my God, I cannot get enough of this highlighter. This is the Becca one, Opal. I'm definitely going to purchase in full size. Just going to run the highlighter over the bronzer just slightly. And I love to do the bridge. Sorry, the nose. Was it the nose bridge? And I always do on top of my eyelids. I know that sounds crazy. I really like it. Does anyone else do that? Comment down below. That is... I like a lot of highlighter. So that is the finished look. I must say I'm absolutely obsessed with this bronzer. I mean, I look like I've just come back off holiday, don't I? And I don't really particularly like to look that brown. But this has given me an amazing glow, an absolute amazing glow. So obsessed, so happy. So for me, this bronzer is a winner. Amazing. I don't know if this is vegan. but I am obsessed. So I urge you to get this. Literally, if you want to have a kind of tan, a glow about you, I think it kind of pulls the makeup so well together. And I'm really, really, really happy with this. I'll also get this too, just to be safe, because I love it. I love it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm really obsessed, and I feel like I should be going out now. It's really, really made my skin look amazing, this bronzer. Can't stop looking at myself. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Do you like this bronzer? Do you like other bronzers? I'm obsessed. I can't stop looking at myself. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys.